Hello everyone, today we are going to implement this atom Niagara particle system. So this is the nucleus, and these the ones rotating electrons that are rotating around the nucleus in different energy levels. So let's see how to implement this from scratch using Niagara system today. Right, so first I'll go to this FX folder and create a Niagara system from selected emitters. Here I'll use this hanging particles, add, finish, NS, add done. Open it. Right, so now we don't need this box location or sphere location. So as you can see, the particles are in the same place. Also I don't need the curl noise and drag or anything. So here let's add rotate around point module. I can just delete these unused modules. No need to scaling color will be fine. Lifetime 5 to 8 should be fine. So here rotate around point. Let's set the radius to something like 20. Okay, rotation rate 0.1. Right, now you can see it is moving. So let's have a random range for the radius. Random range float. Minimum would be, I don't know, 30. Max maybe 20. Maximum how about 50. Okay, and this rotation rate, this also has to be random range float, something in between 0. No, it shouldn't be 0. At least all the particles should have some speed. Alright, what if we increase this timeline a bit more so I can see it clearly? Spawn rate, maybe 50 is too much. Let's try 5. Okay, now these are electrons. So to make it look good, first I'll change the color and then I'll add some trail to this color. Red with a lot of emission. Right, now let's add the trail. For that I'll add an empty emitter. Let me rename this to electrons. Electron trails. Here we don't need a sprite renderer, we need a ribbon renderer. Oh, default, why it's not already added here, default ribbon material. Let's use, oh wait, not here, let's use that here. And this trail should be rendered behind these electrons. So for that we need a location event. Generate location event. These settings should be fine. And under stage I'll add an event handler. Wait. Oh, we need to enable this requires persistent IDs. Oh, engine crashed. Okay, so I added everything again, and this is where we were stuck. Generate location event, and we had to enable this require persistent IDs. Now again at the event handler, source location event, spawn number, we have to change it. We need a receive location event. Oh, we have to, I'll set 1. Oh, that's the trail. Oh, we need to assign this material. Change this to spawn particles. Alright, now we get the ribbon. Lifetime should be much shorter, and width, let's try 1. 1 seems good enough. Okay, now you can see the trail of the electron. How about the color? Maybe white is not going to work. This may be fine. Okay, so these are rotating in a plane. Let me reset the color. I think white is okay. Maybe it should be a bit more transparent. That's better. Right, so how to make these electrons rotate in all possible paths, not just plane, not just this horizontal plane. So for that, here under this rotate around point, we can select x-axis and y-axis. So if I make z1, you can see the plane is changed like this. So if I make y-1, it's changed like this. Similarly, if I make z-1, it's changed like this. So let's change this to a make vector. and y and x to range float in between -1 and 1. Do the same for z as well. Now you can see the electrons are taking all possible paths around the center, not just in horizontal plane. Shall we increase this scale a bit? Maybe 40 to 70. Right, this seems okay. Alright, so now let's work on the nucleus. So for the nucleus, let me add another empty emitter. Nucleus. Here I don't need a sprite renderer, I need a mesh renderer. And mesh. Under meshes we need a sphere. Let's use this 1 unit sphere. And let's add let's try this spawn rate fix. Okay. Right here we have a very small mesh attributes. Let's set the scale to uniform 4. Maybe too small. 8, 5, 6. Okay. Let's add first let's set the material because it has the default material. Now go to override materials and let's assign we have this default sprite material, but we need a different one. We already have that here, translucent sprite. Okay, let me duplicate this with Ctrl D, default mesh material. I don't think we need the translucency, so I'll set it to opaque and set the shading model to default lit, and I'll just connect, forget everything and connect emissive color and base color like this. Apply and use that material. Preparing shaders. Okay, it's white. So under colors, random range, let's go to direct set, and here random range, select linear color from array. Let's try that. So we need only 2 colors. One is blue for neutrons and one is red for protons. direct array indexed. I'll set random range float, minimum 0, maximum 1. Okay, and change. The spawn rate should be in this emitter spawn section. Following predependency is not met. Emitter life cycle. Okay, so let's add life. Can't I yet? Oh, should I? Oh, this should be under here. Wait, this is somewhat different from Unreal 4 system. Here, let me remove this spawn rate again and change the life cycle to self and set to infinite loop duration. No, let's just set this to once and add. Now I have this spawn burst instantaneous, so spawn count. I'll add 10. Lifetime, a very long time, something like this. Maybe, yeah, I'll set this to this value and copy that and set the loop behavior to infinite and paste. Use the same duration. So we will have the nucleus throughout the time, right? And I'll add sphere shape location, radius maybe 30, no 20, no 5 or 8, right? That seems good enough. So this is the nucleus, and let's add some jittering to that to keep it live. Right, this looks cool. Mesh size is 6. Okay, and I think we can stop this episode right here. Let's put this in the world and see how it looks. Oh, we have one more problem. They are in this 0, 0 location of the world space. To fix that, here as the rotation center, I'll set owner position, and why isn't this moving? Alright, let me recompile. Okay, alright, now here is our atom. Maybe we should increase the item count in the nucleus, or I should prevent them moving away. Yeah. Let's reduce the jitter amount and increase this to 50. in time they will be moving out, but that will take some more time. Or we can have some point attract to point type of module, but I am not going to do that here. Let's increase and have some more electrons. Okay, so here is our electron, and I added a post-process volume to make the scene a bit darker. So here is the final preview of our atom, and I'm gonna stop this episode right here. So thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below, and if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.